Garlic is an indispensable spice in every family's kitchen. Famous dishes with garlic include Spanish sopa de ajo garlic soup or Italian garlic soup and many other dishes. Although they are quite popular, you buy them every day, but do you really know how to choose garlic? In the past, I often did not pay attention to this. I often chose based on my feelings. The garlic I bought did not use up at once, just a few days later it quickly shriveled, sprouted, or rotted. The 2 pounds of garlic I bought for $40, half of it was spoiled. That means I had to buy 1 pound of garlic for $40. It's no different from throwing money out the window. So I was determined to learn through newspapers and websites about tips for choosing and preserving foods. They are really useful to help me have the best quality food and save me thousands of dollars every year. Today, with the topic of garlic, I will share with you how to choose the best quality garlic to preserve it for the longest time. First, pay attention to the roots. Choose bulbs with intact roots like this. Plants that grow well mean that their roots must be developed. This proves that this garlic bulb is of good quality and harvested at the right time. With garlic that still has roots, the quality is often better because the roots will help maintain moisture and nutrients so they are not lost. If the garlic is cut off the roots, the water in the garlic will be lost quickly, making it difficult to preserve because the garlic cloves are easily shriveled and soft. Here I have a garlic bulb without roots. Bulbs without roots are usually young garlic with undeveloped roots. After a while of harvesting, the young roots will fall off. Or they are garlic harvested at the right time but left for too long, all the roots have fallen off. Looking at this garlic bulb, we see that because there are no roots, they quickly lose water and the humid environment outside quickly sprouts. After buying it, it can only be left for a few days before it has to be planted or discarded due to sprouting. Next, observe the head of the garlic bulb. If the cut surface has many layers of skin, no holes, it proves that the garlic bulb was harvested early, not ripe enough, so the taste will be less delicious. On the contrary, if the skin is thin with holes, the garlic is mature enough, the nutritional value and taste are at their best. Color of garlic bulb. Garlic usually has 2 colors, white or purple. First, in terms of taste, white-skinned garlic has higher moisture, the spiciness is quite mild, so it is suitable for people who do not like too strong taste. Therefore, white-skinned garlic is more suitable when eaten raw, not only increasing the feeling of deliciousness, but also bringing refreshment. On the contrary, purple garlic has low moisture and a drier taste. The spicy taste of this type of garlic helps the dish to have a more distinct aroma than white garlic, suitable for stir-frying. In addition, purple garlic also helps to fight bacteria and inflammation. Second, in terms of nutritional value. Although both white and purple garlic are rich in nutrients such as protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, purple garlic is higher in anthocyanin content, which has strong antioxidant properties and helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. In addition, purple garlic also contains capsaicin called propylene sulfide, which kills pathogenic bacteria and parasites, can prevent colds and relieve symptoms such as fever, cough, sore throat and stuffy nose. So depending on your preference, choose white or purple garlic. Use your hand to choose garlic. Gently squeeze the garlic bulb with your hand, choose firm bulbs. If it feels soft, it means that the garlic has lost water or is rotten inside. In short, choose firm garlic bulbs, with intact roots, and the top of the garlic bulb still has a few thin layers of skin with holes. Do not choose bulbs that no longer have roots, cracked skin, mold on the outside, or tight garlic heads with no holes or many layers of skin. The above are experiences in choosing garlic to help you have quality garlic bulbs as well as easily preserve them for a long time. If you find it interesting, please share it with your friends. Thank you for reading this far. See you in the next videos.